Welcome to the farm. Let's meet some amazing animals together. Stay with me till the end. You don't want to miss the surprise animal. Every animal has something fun to teach us. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Pigs have a great sense of smell. Baby pigs are called piglets. I love giving the pig a hug. This is a chicken. Chickens lay eggs. A hen is the mother chicken. Chickens talk with clucks and cackles. Abba feeds corn to the chickens. This is a duck. Ducks love swimming. Ducks flap their wings to dry off. Ducks have webbed feet to help them swim. Abba waves as the duck swims by. This is a cat. Cats move with amazing balance. Cats can jump very high. Cats love to cuddle and purr. Abba pets the soft cat gently. This is a dog. Dogs are loyal friends. Dogs help farmers herd animals. Dogs can smell faraway things. Abba laughs as the dog licks his cheek. This is a llama. Llamas have long necks. Their wool is soft and fluffy. Llamas can carry baskets up mountains. Abba stretches his neck playfully with the llama. This is a donkey. Donkeys are strong helpers. Donkeys can carry heavy loads. Donkeys have big ears to hear well. Abba pats the donkey's nose kindly. This is a rabbit. Rabbits have long ears. Rabbits love munching on carrots. Rabbits hop with strong legs. Abba giggles as the rabbit hops by. This is a frog. Frogs live near water. Frogs jump very far. Frogs catch bugs with sticky tongues. Abba claps for the frog's big jump. This is a swan. Swans glide gracefully. Swans stretch their long necks. Baby swans are called cygnets. Abba waves at the swan family. This is a turkey. Turkeys have big tail feathers. Turkeys make gobbling sounds. Turkeys can run fast on the ground. Abba dances as the turkey struts. This is a quail. Quails are small birds. Quails lay tiny spotted eggs. Baby quails are called chicks. Abba smiles as the quail chicks follow their mom. Wow! We met so many animals today. Each animal has something special. Which animal was your favorite? If you want to see more fun videos, follow us and click the link in the bio. Learning is amazing when we do it together. See you next time, friends.